Hello and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Relax and enjoy lesson 30. There is no need to memorize. You are doing really well. Now, listen to the English words for today. Just listen. Law, rule, right, wrong, police, court, judge, crime, control, power, freedom, order. Okay, listen to the English words again and repeat them after me. Law, law, rule, rule, right, right, wrong, wrong, police, police, court, court, judge, judge, crime, crime, control, control, power, power, freedom, freedom, order, order. Very good. Now we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. Break the law, rule of law, right or wrong, wrong decision, policewoman, courtroom, order of the judge, control crime, have power, freedom of speech, law and order. Good. Now, just listen. A good person always follows the law. The police help to keep order where we live. Freedom is an important responsibility. We know the difference between right and wrong. Now, listen to this simple story using all of the words. A man decides to steal a car. He knows that it is wrong to break the law. The police go after the man to stop him. Now the man may lose his freedom. The next day, the man goes to court. A judge sits in the court. She is in control. She hears about the crime from the police. She has the right to rule on the case. She also has a lot of power. The judge gives an order. She says, "You must not steal again." He must learn what is right and wrong. Finally, let us hear the English words one more time. Law, rule, right, wrong, police, court, judge, crime, control, power, freedom, order. Okay, that is all for today. Well done. Rest now, and I will see you for the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.